How much weight can a large screw safely hold in a ceiling plasterboard? I have a plasterboard ceiling. I want to hang a speaker mount from the ceiling. I have these screw plug things. I have already used these to hang other stuff from the same ceiling, and they're currently handling about 2 kilograms each with no problems so far. But maybe I just got lucky, and if these other objects fall down, it won't be quite so expensive. So I would like to know what a reasonable load is. The existing 2 kilograms per plug objects are a couple of meters apart from each other. The speaker plus mount apparatus comes to about 8 kilograms, so I would need at least 4 such plugs, but the attachment point is only a few cm across, so maybe having them closer together would concentrate the weight into too small an area. No, there is no wooden stud at a suitable location. This has to go into the plasterboard. Is this a bad idea? Would I need to, for example, distribute the pull over a length of I-beam or something to make it stable? Question from user Spraff at Stack Exchange. Answer: snap toggles. A snap toggle would be perfect in this situation. Most are rated for much higher weights than typical drywall anchors. These anchors specifically say they are rated for much higher than your expected load, and I can say from personal experience they are more than equipped to handle an 8 kilogram speaker. I have mounted all kinds of stuff with these anchors and none have failed as of yet. Answer from user Matt at Stack Exchange.